Hi, it's me, Gareth, and I'm on the Grand Princess today, and this is the piazza, and it's 3 stories high, and we're just going to look at a few of the highlights on the Grand Princess. Move around real slowly. That's deck 6 and deck 7 above. This is the Good Spirits at Sea bar. This is the Michelangelo dining room. They use it now for traditional dining times, 5 and 7:30 perhaps. This is the International Cafe. The food here is complimentary, and it changes periodically over the course of a day, from breakfast to lunch to dinner, sort of. And this is where you would place your coffee order. The coffee is not complimentary though. Specialty coffees here. The art gallery. They have art auctions almost every day on the ship. And it goes all the way around forward. This is Alfredo's Pizzeria. It's for casual dining, so there is a fee, unless of course you have a package. This is Vine's Wine Bar. It's a pretty small Vine's, but they do have wine. This is the Internet Cafe. There is also a Captain's Circle desk located in this spot. This is Calypso Cove, one of the shops of Princess. You could buy a Stanley there. This is Guest Services. And yes, there's somebody working back there. See? And this is Facets, another of the shops of Princess. That brings us to the Da Vinci dining room. This is for walk-in dining, no reservation necessary. Over on that side, it's the Reserve Collection dining. This is the Grand Casino. This is the entrance to the Princess Theater. It's a big theater with good sight lines, but stairs up and down. This is Snooker's Cigar Lounge, although you can smoke cigarettes in here. And they have a bar and they have TVs, lots of them. Is the shore excursion desk. Of course, you can now book shore excursions on the app. And this is the library. It used to be called Leaves, but now it's a future cruise office and library. That's another future cruise and loyalty desk, just like the one in the library. And this is the Crown Grill. It's the specialty restaurant for steak and seafood. It is not complimentary. Yes, Daniel bought me this shirt. Brings this to the upper level of the piazza. We're on deck 7 now. That's where we started. Meridian Bay, one of the shops of Princess, over there. Essence, perfume and makeup, and a flash sale today only. Crooner's Bar. Crooner's Bar. This is deck 7, starboard side. And this is the Explorer's Lounge. And I'm sorry that it's so dark in there, but we play games in here. They have game shows in here. They have dancing. They have live music. They have a bar. That was Explorer's Lounge. Now this is the photo gallery, although it's not really a gallery anymore. These are the panels that they used to fold out and put your pictures on. Pictures they took of you, right? But they don't use them anymore. They haven't removed them yet, but I think it's only a matter of time. And there's the new way to do it, computer screens. Touch to begin. This is the Wheelhouse Bar. And they have live music in here nightly. This is Sabatini's Italian Trattoria. It's another of the specialty restaurants on board. This is Oceanfront. Medallion class. I'm not still there. This is where you can get help with the internet, the app, maybe purchase an accessory for your medallion. You see, these medallion clips are $5.99, but those medallion clips are $6. Vista Lounge. It's the largest of the ship's lounges. They do the Captain's Circle events in here, Captain's Cocktail Party. We play trivia in here. They have dancing, they have live music, they have speakers. Vista Lounge. Oh yeah, they have a bar. When you get back to the aft stairs and elevators, there's a dining room down below, and this is the only way to access it. Botticelli dining room. It's a reservation, but you can make your reservation for any time. Mine's 7:20. Elevator. We're going up to deck 14. There are only passenger cabins on 8 through 12. There is no deck 13. We're on deck 14 now. That's the terrace pool. This is called Horizon Terrace. And that's the al fresco bar. Inside those doors and those doors is Horizon Court, the ship's buffet. It's the same on both sides of the ship, although one side or the other may be closed. This is the ship's buffet, Horizon Court. Hi. And this is breakfast, because it's only 7 a.m. And this is the guy that moves the eggs around. Notice? And they have fruit and cheese and meat and biscuits and waffles and pancakes. All that. And they have 3 drink stations on each side of the ship. We've gone out, sort of. And this is the Calypso bar. And this is the Calypso pool. And the upper area is called the Conservatoire. And this pool stays covered. I've never seen them open that on this ship. This is Coffee and Cones. You can get your premium desserts here. You can get specialty coffee, but you have to pay for it. And then in the afternoon, you can get soft serve ice cream, complimentary. You can also get ice cream sandwiches, but you're going to have to pay. This is the Neptune pool. They call it the Neptune Reef and Pool because this is a shallow area and then there's the pool. It's also the location of Movies Under the Stars. Lots of seating down here and up on deck 15. This is the Salty Dog Grill, all complimentary. Not to be confused with the Salty Dog Gastro Pub. So hamburgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, chicken strips. This is the Mix Bar, not complimentary. And down here, we have Slice Pizzeria. They always have 3 or 4 kinds of pizza. The Salty Dog and Slice don't open till 11. Here is the Youth and Teen Club. We have the Tree House, ages 3 to 7. We have the Lodge, ages 8 to 12. And then we have the Beach House for teenagers, 13 to 17. Over here, we're on Sun Deck 15 at the front of the ship, is the Lotus Spa. And it has a beauty salon. And it has treatment rooms. It has a pool, which is supposed to be adults only, Lotus Spa pool. Fancier mats. And it has a fitness center. This is the Lotus pool. And up there is the Sanctuary. This is the Sanctuary. It has a fee. Currently it's $20 for half a day and $40 for all day. We might be able to work out a cruise long plan with them. We're up on deck 16 now, looking over the ship. Movies Under the Stars, Neptune Pool. You can go up a little bit higher, and there are lounge chairs up there. Those are the doors that lead you to the spa. And this is the Sea Breeze Bar. The pool is down a deck. This is the aft stairs and elevators. We're on deck 15. The buffet is right below us. And we're going to go in the 1-5 Lounge and Nightclub. And there it is. Late at night, they have a disco over there. Across from the 1-5 is Hearts and Minds, the ship's chapel. Of course, it's around the bend here. And the smoking area is right outside there, so it kind of smells like cigarettes here. But it is ice cold in here. Feels good. Smoking area. Hearts and Minds, the wedding chapel. Deck 16, they have shuffleboard and shuffleboard equipment. They also have 2 hot tubs, spas, and a bar. It's the Oasis Bar. Here's a look at all the decks in the back of the ship. Terrace pool down on deck 12, I guess, 12 and a half. Smoking area up there on deck 15. We're on deck 16. The Oasis Bar with 2 spas. Little patio, and I don't know that they get out the chairs. Maybe you could. Inside there is the photo studio. Center court. Remember down on below it called a sports court. We got some soccer goals. We got equipment, basketballs, soccer balls, pickleball. Somewhere there's a pickleball net. Somebody didn't close this. There it is, right there. Even says pickleball on it. Basketball hoop. It's all netted, as long as you keep the door closed. Well, that's pretty much the whole Grand Princess. Just the highlights, though. Remember, just the highlights. For a more detailed, longer video, you should watch Grand Princess Complete Ship Tour 2025. Bye.